As part of the chip repair, you have to prepare the entire piece for clear coat. In order to do that, you scuff up the clear coat so that the new clear coat will stick to the old. This doesn't change the color of the piece. You're not damaging the color. This is only a superficial sanding so that the clear coat will stick. You can't paint a shiny surface. It has to be slightly dull. Sue is using very fine sandpaper to rough up the surface in general. For the heavier repairs, you use heavier sandpaper. But when you're just scuffing up clear coat, you use about 1,000 grit sandpaper. You're not trying to take any serious material off. You're just trying to get it so it's not so shiny anymore. You want to be careful not to sand too aggressively on the corners, or you can go right through the clear and damage the color. Dan's being very careful to just get the thing scuffed, not take any heavy material off. After you've done your sanding of the filler, if you've done a really good job, you want to use a little hard block or use your thumb. You want it to be sanded nice and smooth like this. You shouldn't be able to feel anything. If you can feel something, you haven't done it right. It needs to be nice and smooth. It's very hard to fill a small chip like that and not be able to feel it.